If you grew up eating beans, this version will change everything you thought you knew. Because I took a basic staple and brought it to life with ripe plantains and a bold pepper sauce that holds nothing back. I started with parboiled beans. That part didn't make it into the video, but trust me, it helps your beans cook faster and cleaner. I added water and sliced in some onions. Then I cover it to cook on low heat. No rush until the beans softened up, just enough to press it with your hands. Then came the ripe plantains, sweet thick cut and soft enough to melt into the beans without turning mushy. Right after that, I added crayfish. Because that earthy, nutty flavor does something magical in a dish like this. In a separate pan, I poured in a little vegetable oil and followed up with palm oil for that smoky richness. When the oil was hot, I added chopped onions, tomatoes, and fresh pepper. The sizzle was instant. The aroma, bold, layered, and worth every second. I let everything fry down until the tomatoes reduced beautifully. Then I added my seasoning cubes. Remember to always season to your taste and do not overdo it. Then I followed that up with my crayfish. At this point, I stirred everything together and the sauce came alive. Once it was ready, I poured that peppery goodness into the beans and plantain pot. Then I gave it a slow intentional stir and let it all simmer for a few minutes so the flavors could marry. And just like that, it was done. This is not the beans porridge you rushed through as a child. This one is comforting and hearty. If this made you pause, crave a bite, or just love food a little more, go ahead and like this video. Drop a comment telling me how you make yours, and subscribe for more meals that make simplicity feel special.